Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Start. If you've ever found yourself struggling to get your designs looking neat and polished in Figma, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to align objects in Figma, which is a fundamental skill that will instantly make your designs look more professional and organized. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to line up your shapes and elements with pixel-perfect precision, just like the pros do. Let's hop right in. First up, go ahead and open Figma. If you don't have it open already, take a moment to get it loaded. Once you're in, you'll probably see your workspace or maybe a file you've been working on. For this demonstration, I've got some sample shapes ready to go. Don't worry if you're following along with your own design. Any shapes or objects will work for this tutorial. Now, for today's lesson, we're focusing on aligning circles. This could just as easily be rectangles, icons, buttons, really, anything you want to make look tidy and evenly spaced. The goal here is to align them so everything looks intentional and polished. So I've got a handful of circles on my canvas, a little scattered, and we're going to whip them into shape. To start aligning, you first need to select multiple objects. So click on your first circle, then hold down Shift and click the others you want to align. You can also hold Shift and drag a box over your objects to select them all at once. Once you've got your shapes selected, look over to the right side of your Figma interface. Here there's an alignment panel. You'll see options for aligning left, right, center, top, and more. Let's try out the Align Left option first. Click the Align Left button and watch as all your selected circles snap neatly to the same left edge. This is especially helpful when you want all your elements to be perfectly lined up, like if you're building a sidebar or a form. Now, just to demonstrate, let's undo that with Ctrl+Z. Don't worry if you use undo a lot. It's a designer's best friend for experimenting without fear of messing things up. Let's select the circles again, and this time hit the Align Right button. See how they snap to the right edge of your selection? This is great for creating columns of text or images that need to look sharp on the right. And again, if you want to step things back, just hit Ctrl+Z. It's always good practice to try things out and then undo if the result isn't quite what you want. Now let's talk about center alignment. Go ahead and select your circles once more and hit the middle alignment button. This one is perfect when you want everything centered, whether it's horizontally in a row or vertically stacked. Center alignment comes in handy for hero sections, galleries, or any place you need a tidy, balanced look. At this point, feel free to experiment with all the different alignment options in the panel. Top, bottom, horizontal, and vertical, so you can see how each one behaves. Sometimes, just playing around for a few minutes with these alignment tools teaches you more than any rulebook ever could. And remember, if you ever get lost, you can always undo and try again. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to align objects flawlessly in Figma, something that will save you hours and keep your designs looking clean. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about alignment or Figma in general, drop them down in the comments and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Start for more quick, practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.